Create YouTube content with PowerPoint and screen reader, presented by Sony guys. For this kind of content, you don't need many slides. You need to create a title slide. It includes the title of the content, something like, create how to create YouTube content with PowerPoint and screen reader, something like that, presented by your channel name. Then you need a main content slides. Like usually the tutorial is a good application for this kind of content. And then of course you need to have conclusion, either thank you or contact how, or how the people can leave comments, that kind of thing. So this kind of slide, we need only two types of slide layout. One is title and one is title and contents. When you open a new project on PowerPoint, it opens with a title slide, which has title layout, of course, and it has title and subtitle field. Title has, you can type something like YouTube contents and create whatever the title would be, and subtitle presented by whatever. And then if you press enter in the slide area to insert a new slide, the default layout is title and contents. Like this current slide, this title says slide layout, and the main content says title with the description, and main and conclusion with title and contents. So it's all bulleted points. So it's basic layout, easy to create. When you become in advanced level, you can add more bells and whistles. Next slide will be demonstration how to create slides and change the layout. So to record the audio, you can find the insert audio in a ribbon somewhere, but it's much easier to press Alt Q first and type audio. Here you can press down arrow or press enter, and you have audio from PC or record your own audio, and you just select record your own audio and start recording. Here there is a record name field, and then there is a button with the unlabeled button. You just select that to start, and you just click OK. I mean space OK on after you're done recording. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry that I was going to put some video demo and between this slide and the last slide, but it didn't work. I, I, my computer kept giving me errors, so just audio only. Sorry about that. So to export PowerPoint to a video, you open Save As, it's Alt F and A as a save as, and select a folder. As a current folder, you just press enter, enter, enter. We'll just go into current folder and select type as MPEG4 video. So it's gonna be saved as .mp4 extension. And one thing to be careful is that it will take for a while to export, and until export is complete, you should do not close PowerPoint. You get warning. However, if you just say no and or whatever, then it will close and you have to do all over again. So make sure not to close until the process is complete. I put download link in video description. Leave your comments if you have any questions. Put like and share this video if it is useful to you. And subscribe Sony Guys channel. And also I put the link on that Sony Guys channel there. And also set notification and alarm for future videos. Thanks for watching.